Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and safe at home. So, today let's start our class and we will discuss the topic force and pressure. It's very important topic and related with physics. In physics, a force is any interaction that when unopposed will change the motion of an object. And in general language, we can say that push or pull is called force. Listen carefully. Push or pull is called force. For example, opening the door, riding a bicycle, lifting an object, etc. Okay? We will see the pressure now. Pressure. Pressure is the force acting on object in perpendicular direction to the surface of the object, which results in spreading of force over a certain area. Okay? Now we will see the types of contact forces. But before that, I want to tell you all that there are two types of forces. There are two types of forces, contact and non-contact. Now we will see the types of contact forces, that is muscular forces, frictional forces, applied force and normal or support force. Now non-contact forces, the forces which can be applied without any contact with object is called non-contact. For example, gravitation force, electromagnetic force, nuclear force, etc. Contact forces. So first of all, we will study about the contact forces. The force which can be applied only when it is in contact with object, like muscular forces. Now we will see the muscular forces. The muscular forces are the force applied using parts of the body like arms or legs. It is force that results due to the action of muscles and is a contact between the surfaces. It is needed whenever movement of the body occurs. And for example, kicking a ball, lifting a weight, etc. Second topic is frictional forces. Frictional force is the opposing force that is created between two surfaces that try to move in the same direction. Frictional force is the opposing force that is created between two surfaces that try to move in the same direction or that try to move in opposite directions. And the main purpose of a frictional force is to create resistance to the